I think 11 of us are going to say a quick thank you. We just got to wait for Robert, he's still in the toilet. Oh, here he goes there. Well, first of all, I'd like to give thanks and praises to our Heavenly Father. Without him, like everyone else said, without him we wouldn't be here today. And second of all, I'd just like to give a special thank you to the people. Without your votes, we wouldn't be up here. Thank you very much. And before I sit down, I'd just like to thank a couple of people who mean the world to me and to my brothers. First of all, I'd like to thank my parents, Tautala Noa and Christina Palmete. If you guys can stand up, please, parents. I'd just like to acknowledge my parents. Without them, there they go. The two most beautiful. And second of all, I'd just like to thank my beautiful sister, my one and only sister, for her love and support. And I'd like to dedicate this one especially to my partner of 4 years. Thank you for the strong help. And I'd like to dedicate this one to all the Otarians and to the people from Whangaruru who came out here tonight. So thank you very much. And then to Rob.
Just like to say a big thank you to to all the band members' families, the Langi family, Burbage family, Tapuaruelu family, Manu family, everyone. Just like to say thank you to Mike, Chris Caddick, Moving Production, Unity Pacific. Much love and respect to Tingy. To our manager, Wuramu, Puriri, thank you for being there from day one. Much love and respect to everyone. Thank you.
I'd like to thank everyone, thank all the people, thank God. This is cool, man. Just, I'd like to thank the boys, 3 houses down. Beautiful, guys, beautiful.
Thank you, Mum and Dad. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thanks, Mum and Dad. Thanks, Mum and Dad.